Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Chloe and today we have an unboxing from Daisy. So this one here is my VIP stencil and then under here is an order that I placed. So I decided to become a silver VIP. It basically means each month there's a whole load of perks that you get, and one of the best things is that you get a stencil. It's £8 a month for the silver one, so I'll show you what I've got inside here. Have had a little peek already at both of these orders just because I couldn't wait. Okay, this is the stencil. So this is their Barbie inspired stencil. This is the capital version. I also bought the lowercase version as well. It's all swirly, just how like Barbie is. I was really inspired by Joe's bullet journal this month. And I really want to recreate it next month. So I've bought all the bits to hopefully have a go at recreating it next month. So yeah, I do want to try a Barbie theme. I was thinking Barbie or back to school, but I do want to do Barbie, and I feel like if I don't do it now, it's gone. I need to forget about it. So I bought the bits. I'm going to do a Barbie theme. So this was the VIP stencil. So like I say, it's £8 a month. You get a stencil every month. There's lots of other perks that go with it. So if you don't know about that, head over to Daisy and have a look. There is a bronze, silver and gold. They're all at different prices, so you can see which one you think is best for you. Okay, let's have a look at this order. Let's start off with this box. So they had some mystery boxes. So I bought one. I believe this was the £10 one. I believe it was the £10 one. I don't think I bought a different price one. So inside we have a washi tape. Let's see what this is like. I can never get these boxes open, like any kind of box, without ripping them. Ah, there we go. Oh, nice. It's a money washi tape. So you've got the little piggy there, you've got a pound sign, you've got a euro sign, a dollar sign, a pound coin. Yeah, there's lots going on here, some notes. That's really nice. That would look really good in like a money saving spread. I might need to do that. Like that one, very nice. Then we've got a couple of sticker sheets here. So we've got this one, a creating one, imagining, and planning. Are these, oh, they're round stickers. You see, big round stickers. Oh, nice. One for your journal and one to wear. Oh, interesting. I like those. Okay, let's pop that to one side. Next up, we have a stencil. This is like a bookmark strip. That would look really nice as a Dutch door. So placing that at the edge, draw that out and then cut around it to make a little Dutch door. I might have to try that. That might be quite nice with the Barbie. Oh, it's all coming together. I like it. Okay, so that's that one. That's that stencil. There's more stencils. Next we have this one. So I assume that one will help you make a smiley face there. You've got a banner, some circles, hearts, stars, another circle and a flower. So lots of different bits you can do with that one. This looks like some kind of tracker, like a circular tracker. We've got 2023 in the middle and a banner at the top. I mean, we've got 3 stencils already. Surely that's more than £10. And the stickers and the washi. Okay, next up is some Team Dog stickers, which I mean is perfect for me. I've just got Luna. And these are really cute. Look at these little boxes for the dogs. Oh, they're sweet. I like those. And then, ooh, do you know what? Every time I see the black ones online, I always think, nah, I like the rainbow ones. But these are really nice. They're lovely. I might have to order the 2024 ones of these. I actually haven't stuck any of these at the front of my journal, so I'm going to go and add these in later on at the front of my bullet journal. Oh, daily headers. They're really nice. That font is lovely. So we've got some daily headers. Oh, is this like a... Oh, it actually is a tracker. Can you see that? That is actually a monthly bill tracker. Oh, wow. So you could stick that into your bullet journal and then open it up like that. Okay, I love that. That's really cool. I wonder if you can buy these on the website or if they're like a download. That's really cool. And it's another one. A spending tracker. Yeah, another one. Look at that. Okay, I really like these. That's really cool. And this isn't just... No, this is a couple of months. 4 months. Goals. These are really cool. Okay, I'm really happy with them. I like them. Is this the last thing? Okay, the last thing, we have this like colouring in sheet. Life is Sweet. Oh, it's not a colouring in sheet. It's a monthly tracker. Oh, 31 stars. Yeah, okay. Is it like a mood tracker? Yeah, you can colour code it. Oh, very nice. I like that. That will look nice at Christmas time. So I'm pretty sure I paid £10 for this, which, I mean, that is really good value for money. I love mystery boxes. Whenever I go to planner events and they have mystery boxes, I'm like, yep, I will take as many of those as possible, please. Because you know that you're just going to get really good bits inside that maybe you wouldn't... I can't get that shut now. That you maybe wouldn't have necessarily bought before. Okay, let's have a look at the stuff I actually ordered and picked on the website. So let's start with the freebie first. So one of the things I love about Up to Daisy is in your order, I think you have to spend a certain amount, but you get one of these bookmarks. So you always get one for the next following month. So this is the September one, and look at the little banana guy. I love the gonks, they're so cool. Yeah, really nice. And then what I do with these is I write the books that I've read. So I keep that as a bookmark, and then I write the books that I've read. So then I've got these as like a backlog of the books that I was reading in each month. But yeah, I love them. They're really cute and they're really good quality as well. They're not like one of those flimsy bookmarks that are going to break and tear at the edges. So yeah, that was the little freebie. Okay, I picked up one of these pencils because I'm losing pencils all the time. So I thought, grab a pencil, and they were super cheap. Here is the lowercase stencil. So let's have a look with the capital letter, uppercase one. Okay, you can see they work really nicely together. And they will look really nice for a Barbie theme. Or if you wanted to do a different theme, you can use these for whatever. That's the really good thing about the fonts. They're not just, you know, you can't just use them for one theme. You can use them across anything that you're doing. We've got a little flyer here about the grid guide. I do have this. I use it all the time. If you're going to buy anything, you need to buy this. This is so important. It's probably one of the most important things that I have in my kit now. It's made my journaling so much easier. I've been bullet journaling for years, and I thought, you know, so I've seen things like this before and they look amazing, but I thought, yeah, I'm an expert at this. I don't need one. I can just whack spreads out, easy peasy. Honestly, this helps massively. I'm trying out new spreads because I can work out my spacing so much quicker, and I'm not spending all that time going, oh, how many boxes for this and how many boxes for that. I can just go lay that down, done. So yeah, I highly recommend, if you haven't got one of these, have a look. I mean, there's a QR code that you can find out some more, but look at these spreads. Yeah, so nice. I really like it. Anyway, moving on. I think these might be the Ken and Barbie gonks, which if they are, wait until you see these. These are really cute. Yeah, they are. Okay, so first of all, she's everything. This is the Barbie gonk. It's so sparkly. And then he's just Ken. Look how cool these are. So the actual gonks are like a matte. You can hear the texture on them, and then there's like a shiny, like a chunky glitter underneath. So I think I'm going to use these for like my cover page. I'm not sure how, but yeah, love them. They'll work perfectly for my Barbie theme. Let's move on to the washi that I've got. So I bought this pink washi because I thought obviously it'll go quite nicely with the pink. So it'll match that Barbie theme. And then finally, I got this. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this for next month or this month. This month I'm doing a beach theme. So, I mean, beach and Barbie links quite nicely, but it can roll on to the next one. Yeah, I'm doing a beach theme, and I'm not sure if this would look really nice with that theme, or do I save this for Barbie? Let me know. If you want to have a look at what my bullet journal is looking like this month, head over to my Instagram and you'll be able to see that. And let me know, do you think I should use this for my bullet journal this month? Or shall I save it for Barbie? Or do I keep Barbie all pink? I'm not sure. But anyway, that is everything. So let's have a little look at everything. I've got the journaling kit. I got the Ken and Barbie, the washi tape. We got the free bookmark, a pencil. I got my VIP stencil, my normal stencil that I bought, and then the mystery box of goodies. I am super happy with all this stuff. I absolutely love getting parcels from Daisy. They're my favourite orders always. So make sure you head over to Daisy and have a look. I do have an affiliate code now, which I'll leave linked in the comments so you can have a look there. And I'll see you all again in the next video. Bye everyone.